Hello and a hearty welcome to all my students. This is Ajit Anthony, faculty of Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. In this video, we will discuss some of the important topics which was left uncovered in my previous video. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Today, the very first topic that we are going to discuss is water. Water, about 70% of our body weight is made up of water. As we can say that a 70% of our body weight is made up of water. That means water is one of the essential components of our body. It helps the body to perform various functions like over here we will discuss the functions of water one by one. The various function that the water perform is the very first function, transporting substance inside our body. That means water helps in transporting the substance from one part to the another part of the body. Substances the water transport inside our body are enzymes, hormones, nutrients, etc. Second function, helps in the digestion of food. Third point, maintain our body temperature. As we all very well know and familiar that water is also known as universal coolant. Over here, coolant means a substance which can absorb a larger amount of heat, and water can absorb a large amount of heat. That's why water helps our body to maintain our body temperature. Fourth point, water do not carry any essential nutrients. Yes, water do not carry essential nutrients like protein, carbohydrates, fats, etc. But somehow the water contains some vitamins and minerals. Minerals like calcium, potassium, sodium and phosphorus are present in the water. Last point, we should drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day, which is approximately 2 to 8 glasses in a day. The second topic that we are going to discuss is balanced diet. The kind of food that a person or any other organism habitually eats is called diet. So whatever food that I and you all are eating is called a diet. And diet plays a very important role in maintaining a healthy body. We will discuss in the next point. Diet that provides adequate amount of nutrient to maintain a healthy body is called a balanced diet. That means a diet which consists of equal and a proper amount of carbohydrates, protein, fats, various types of vitamins and nutrients with dietary fibers and water. That type of diet is called balanced diet. Third point, a balanced diet varies with age, sex, condition and occupation. I will provide some examples that will explain you all how the balanced diet or a diet of a person varies age, sex, condition and occupation. Suppose a boy is there of a age 10 years old, and on the other hand a full grown adult is there of 32 age. Definitely a boy of 10 years of age will require a lesser amount of nutrient as compared to a full grown adult. If we take the example of occupation, suppose a man is there who is a laborer or who have an occupation of a laborer, and on the other hand a man is there who is working in an office. definitely they will both require nutrient. But a man who is doing the labor or who is a labor will require a larger amount of nutrient, and the diet of that person will also be more as compared to the man who is working in the office. And one more thing that we will have to discuss in this balanced diet is that if we are taking the imbalanced diet, then definitely there are some diseases that will be there in our body, and we will discuss that in my upcoming videos. In this video we have discussed water which is 70%. It has various functions like transporting, helps in digestion, maintaining a body temperature. Water do not carry any nutrients, but it do contain the essentials vitamins and minerals like potassium, sodium, calcium, etc. We should drink 2 to 3 liters of water in a day, which is approximately 2 8 glasses in a day. Balanced diet, whatever diet we and you all are eating, is known as a diet, and a diet which consists of all the adequate amount of nutrient is called a balanced diet. And we have also discussed that diet varies age, sex, condition and occupation. In this video we have discussed water and balanced diet. That's it for today. Hope you all have enjoyed this session. Thank you.